Happy Valentine's Day! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Justina, and here I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs. Now, as you see by today's title, I do have a decorate with me, and it has a lot of Dollar Tree decor pieces and some of my DIYs that I put together. I do just decorate this little area in my living room, and then I have a bonus area that I'm going to share with you. But throughout this video, it's mostly just hanging out with me and decorating with some music in the background. So if you need some Valentine's Day inspiration, maybe just to decorate a little piece in your home for the day, come along with me and let's art today. Like I mentioned, I am going to decorate this little cutout wall that I have in my living room right here. And I remember when we first got into this house, I was a little confused on what I would do with this wall. But now living here for quite some time, I love decorating it for the holidays. So I found this foil curtain at Dollar Tree. I'm sorry it's a little blurry, but it is these little pink hearts that are in this foil paper that are absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to start placing them one by one on the back of this wall. It did take about 3 packages to cover that whole area, but if you have like a little walkway you want to cover, these are a perfect size for a door frame. And I just love how all of the lights bounce off of it, especially at nighttime. For some reason, our night lights bounce off of the foil at night, and it just radiates these beautiful colors on my walls. Next, I'm just going to start undecorating that little ledge there. I give it a quick wipe down, and then I'm going to just start placing all of my decor pieces right on that ledge. Now, a lot of the decor pieces that I have, I did purchase at Dollar Tree, or I made them. And if you want to see the full DIY videos, I will link them down in the description below. But if you have any questions on things that I have made or where I purchased things, you can leave them in the comment section below as well. I am going just to continue decorating. If you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I wish you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, with all that being said, I hope you enjoy me decorating this little ledge, and I will come back as soon as I'm done. how my little wall turned out. I absolutely love it. Now, as you may have seen, I really change my mind often when decorating a spot just to get the right look that I'm going for. I really loved how I put the conversation hearts on the little post on each end, and I really wish I had put it all the way up to the ceiling. Nonetheless, I really loved how it turns out, and I just love how the foil hearts wave every time our air conditioning turns on or our heater turns on at the moment. Like I mentioned before, I am going to decorate another spot in my living room, and that is this little bookshelf that we have over here. I do have my little skull picture frames over to the side. I'm just going to leave them there because that is just how our home decor is. I did want to add a little bit of Valentine's decor over on this corner, so let's just get right back into decorating.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
And that is how I decorated my bookshelf. I absolutely loved how it turned out. I know it was quick and simple, but I did have a hard time trying to figure out my placement, but I really loved how it turned out. This year, I really wanted it to keep it simple and just have all of my decor pieces in a few spots around my house. I am just going to give you a tour really closely of all of the decoration pieces that I have. Once again, if you want to know any specific details about a certain piece or some of my DIYs, you can leave me a comment below or check out my DIY videos that are linked down in the description box as well. We normally don't decorate a lot for Valentine's Day. It's just one of those holidays we don't go extreme with. However, I am excited for the next holiday coming along, which happens to be spring. I have a few DIYs in mind, but however, I really loved how each placement of the decor pieces that I put in my living room this year turned out. They're really cute, and it just brings a smile to our faces. Now, friends, that completes today's video. Remember, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free. But don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, we would love to have you here as our virtual art family. Now, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to come along with me and decorate my home. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel, and it lets me know that you enjoy these types of videos. If you would like to see more photos of today's video and all of the DIYs that are listed below, don't forget to check out my other socials. I do have a Facebook and an Instagram page where I upload more photos and little videos of all of my DIYs and my decor pieces. Well, friends, that completes today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today and decorating. I appreciate each and every one of you, and as always, I will see you in the next one.